How to fix MoonPay Payout not received. MoonPay Crypto Payout fix. If you did not receive your payout from MoonPay when you had put out a selling or withdrawing order, there are some things that you have to check. The first is to open your MoonPay account and go to this activity icon from the top right hand side. Here you will see a list of any order details to verify, or maybe that your recipient information matches your intended payout method. Make sure of that. Also look for a completed status, which means MoonPay has officially initiated the payout. You can also grab the transaction hash known as TXID from your wallet and paste it into a block explorer like Etherscan or blockchain.com to confirm your crypto deposit successfully reached MoonPay's designated wallet address. The other thing you can do is you can try to contact your bank or card issuer to check if they have placed a pending hold, flagged the incoming deposit, or require extra verification. Ensure that you use the correct bank details and reference codes if your payout relies on a bank transfer, and if a sale order was cancelled or failed due to an error, check your original crypto wallet to see if the funds were returned minus applicable networking fees. And these are a couple of things or steps that you can take if you did not receive your MoonPay payout. Hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.